Very good morning, students. So today we will discuss question answer and exercise of chapter 3, V positive and C positive. So let's start. So first question is, where were the two boys admitted? As you know, the two boys were admitted in the hospital. So who lost his eyesight? Who lost his eyesight? Sahil. Sahil lost his eyesight. So whose eyes operation was scheduled soon? Sahil's eyes operation was scheduled soon. So who diagnosed with cancer? So this is an extra question. So tell me, who diagnosed with cancer? So Tapan diagnosed with cancer. So how did Tapan help Sahil to get back his self-confidence? So Tapan, every afternoon when Tapan could sit up by the window, he would pass the time by describing to his roommate all the things he could see outside the window. So he would say to Sahil, so there is a park with a lovely lake. Ducks and swan are playing in the water while children are sailing in their boats. So there are flowers of every color. Oh, I can see many people coming toward the hospital. So these things Tapan always would say. So as Tapan described all things in detail, so Sahil on the other hand of the bed would close his eyes and imagine the scene. So in this way Tapan helped Sahil to get back his self-confidence. So last question, do you ever help others who develop low self-confidence? So do you ever help मीन्स क्या आपने कभी दूसरों की हेल्प की है जिसका कभी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस लो हुआ हो? यस. सो आंसर इज यस. नेक्स्ट है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. साहिल हैड लॉस्ट हिज आईसाइट सो वाइल प्लेइंग इन एन एक्सीडेंट, सो वाइल ड्राइविंग. सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? So B is a correct option, in an accident. Number 2, Tapan used to sit up in his bed for an hour in the morning time, afternoon and evening. So right option is B, afternoon. Now third, ducks and swan play in the swamp, water या mud. So which option is correct? B option is correct. Water. Ducks and swan play in the water. It's a very simple. Number 4, the doctor came and removed Sahil's spectacles, bandage, eye cap. So which option is correct? Number B, bandage. So number 5, the nurse informed Sahil that Tapan has been shifted to the new room, ICU, another ward. So B option is correct, ICU. So these are the correct option. So next, activity to be good. So there are 10 character making word in this following maze. So do find them to establish your character traits. So you find out 10 character making words in this image. So here I found out. So see, first word is hard work. Okay. Second is punctuality. Next, optimism, courage, गिलिटी मीन्स यानी गलती को मानना, यानी जो इंसान गलती करने के बाद उसे मान लेता है, सो वो समझ लो वो कैरेक्टर से बहुत अच्छा है। यानी गलतियाँ सभी से होती हैं, मेन थिंग्स है गलती को मानना। नेक्स्ट है आपका सेल्फ इस्टीम एंड केयरिंग, ओके, स्टैमिना एंड positive thinking. Okay, so these are 9 words. So 10 words, I think this one, informate, इनकी यही लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि 10th वाला मिला नहीं। आप देख लीजिए अगर आपको कोई और समझ में आ रहा है, तो मुझे तो यही लग रहा है। So these are 10 character making words. So next, match the sentence to make your character lively and self-confident. So next, first one is make good choice. So we will match this sentence for your choice and action. And next, do things that you enjoy and are good at. यानी हमें वो चीज़ें करनी चाहिए जिसमें हमें आनंद आता हो, मज़ा आता हो। सो डेवलप, नंबर 3 योर टैलेंट, अपने टैलेंट को डेवलप करना। स्पेंड टाइम विद पीपल हु केयर अबाउट यू, यानी जो आपकी केयर करते हैं उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो। सेट गोल एंड वर्क हार्ड टू अचीव दैम, यानी अपने गोल को सेट करो और कठिन मेहनत करो उसे पाने के लिए। ऑलवेज डू व्हाट यू बिलीव इज़ राइट, यानी हमेशा वो करो जिसमें तुम्हें विश्वास हो कि वो सही है। टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर योर सेल्फ ऑन योर ऑन, यानी अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खुद से लो, यानी अपना काम खुद से करो। दैट्स मीन, ओके। So these are matching. I hope all of you understood. So thank you and have a nice day.